True Manufacturing, Bowling Green Insurance, Bowling Green Tractor, Bush Curryville Farms, and here comes our option mower. We'll tell you more about more sponsors later on. Got the green light, the green flag, and turn loose, Valerie. Down the end of that track.
I don't think he's going to turn that one down.
I don't either. There's one of two things going to happen. He's going to keep the pull, or they're going to come back and try to shut him down a little quicker. That'd be my guess. 341.5. All right, Mr. Bergman's got his hook. He's got the green light on the sled. Looks like that's green flag down the track. He'll be the second driver to go in this Pro Farm tractor class with a 341.59 to beat. Let's see what he can do, international fans. Another good run international here. Out of Bogey, Missouri, Doug Borkman. Another good pull. 335.39. 335. 330. Old Cheeseman for Judge, or Construction, and People's Bank and Trust. And we're ready to go for this with the next driver. With a 341.59 to beat, let's see what Chris Moran out of New Haven, Missouri can do. This Scout Runner International Tractor. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right, we got to go on the track. It'll be Wally Shear. Wally Shear out of New Haven, Missouri. Where's John here? And what do you think? Nice run there from Wally Shear out of New Haven, Missouri. Probably not going to be good enough from this point. All right, Sean got the green flag, got the green light. We're ready to go. Sean Borgman out of Polk, Missouri. Legally red. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, legally red, he calls his tractor. Out of Polk, Missouri, still looking at 341. The 5.9 to beat. Nice pull there. That was John out of Boulder, Missouri. He'll have a good distance. 335.19.
You learning?
Good. Always keep learning. All right, looks like we're ready to go. Green light and the green flag. Kind of a sudden stop there.
So it's kind of sad when a tractor has any leftovers. You used to be able to put way up and
2.79. Alright, we got Randy Steinman out of Eloy, Missouri, driving a blood side tractor, still looking at 341.59. He's got the green flag. He's got the green light. There he goes. Lost her right down there at the end. Made a nice pull. Probably not going to be good enough from this point.